Hi guys, today I would love to share a quick tutorial of how to make invisible color change when you crochet anything, especially amigurumi. When we see this obvious color change, sometimes it looks not that pretty, and if you don't mind, you can keep making the usual way. But if you want to improve your crochet, then I'm going to share something that I found out also recently, and I think is the most beautiful way to change the color, because the line is practically invisible and almost perfect. And I tried many methods. I spent like 1 week trying different methods of color change, and I think this one is really the best, and as I told you, it's almost perfect. So let's see it. So imagine I have to add new color here, and first of all I'm going to cut my yarn. Well, first of all, you can try to do it with the hook. I sometimes do with the hook, but maybe with the tapestry needle is easier. So what you have to do, you have to put the yarn out and then take tapestry needle and put the yarn inside. So the next thing you have to do, you skip the next stitch and go to the next, so to the second stitch. You skip this stitch immediately after, so, and you go into the center like this. We are creating a fake stitch. Same method we use when we make baskets or bags. So now I'm going to the next chain close by, and okay, I will show you first the fake stitch we created. So you see we made the fake stitch that has the same size as others. All we did, we took this yarn and put inside here in the center and in the center. So between these two stitches, the one we skip, we created this fake loop. In order to make it more secure, you can hide it between few stitches here, so the loop will not stretch. Okay. And then we are just going to go under few stitches. Of course, it's harder on camera, but it's really easier because I cannot see clearly. Just random stitches. Okay. And you close. As you can see, you created the fake stitch, and now your work is perfectly finished. You will not see the seam, and now you are going to introduce the new color. So just grab the new color, make the single crochet exactly in the same stitch, where you added the new color, pull a bit, and you can put it on top to weave immediately, and keep making single crochet. After you finish this row of single crochet, I show you how to start row 2 and we see the result. So right now I'm at the end of this row and I immediately go under this first stitch that we created when we started the row, and I keep crocheting in spiral. I'm not making slip stitches. And as you may notice, there is no transition, no step, no shift in color change. Visually, it's practically invisible. So I'm going to finish this row to show you the result. So I have crocheted few rows so you can see better. And as you may notice, the line is perfect for the color change. And the only thing you can notice maybe that here there are almost like 2 stitches instead of 1, but it's less vital than if you see something like that. I guess this method is really perfect for perfectionists, and I think until now don't waste time on other methods and just learn this one. It's not that difficult, it just takes some practice, but you will learn on spot, I'm sure. So thanks for watching. Tell me what do you think about this method, and subscribe to my channel if you want to know more crochet hacks. And see you again next time.